Welcome to SalesPlay. In this video, we'll walk you through how to handle credit sales and manage debtors easily using SalesPlay POS. Let's start with a quick intro. Credit sales are common in many businesses, especially with trusted customers or B2B partners. But keeping track of unpaid bills can get tricky. That's where debtor management comes in. It helps you monitor, follow up, and settle pending payments with ease. Let's see how to activate credit payment type via the back office web portal. To enable the credit payment option on your SalesPlay POS system, follow these simple steps. First, log in to your back office web portal. Then, go to the Settings section and click on Payment Types. Here, you'll see a list of available payment types. Now find credit in the list. Click on it and switch the status to on or active. Once that's done, don't forget to click the Update button at the bottom to save your changes. Now, when you open the POS app, the credit payment option will appear on the payment screen. Let's see how to make a credit sale. First, add your desired products to the cart. Now, tap on Add Customer and select the customer who is buying on credit. If it's a new customer, you can add them right here. To complete a credit receipt, it's mandatory to add a customer. You won't be able to proceed without selecting or adding a customer to the bill. Now tap Charge. In the payment options, select Credit. You can also split the payment, like half cash and half credit. But in this case, we'll go with credit only. Now click Charge again to confirm, and that's it. The credit sale has been recorded. When the customer returns to settle the balance, go to the main menu and tap Manage Sales. Now select Debtor Management. You'll see a list of all customers who have previously made purchases on credit. Make sure to select the correct customer from the list. If you have many customers, use the search option to quickly find the one you're looking for. Here you can see all outstanding credit receipts. You can filter them by customer name to quickly find the right one. Let's take a look at how you can settle a customer's outstanding credit in the system. You've got several flexible options to choose from. You can settle a single receipt, settle multiple receipts together, clear all receipts at once, or even partially settle just one receipt if needed. In this video, I'll walk you through each of these options step by step, so let's get started. First, to settle a single receipt, tick the checkbox next to it. Choose your payment method, for example cash, then click Settle and Confirm. To settle multiple receipts, just tick the ones you want to pay off. Select the payment method again, click Settle, and Confirm. Want to clear everything at once? Just click Select All. Then pick a payment method and settle all outstanding receipts in one go. To partially settle a receipt, click directly on the receipt line. Not just tick the checkbox like in the other options. This allows you to enter the partial amount and settle it step by step. Enter the amount the customer wishes to settle, select the payment type, then click Confirm to proceed. You can now see how much of the bill has been settled. The remaining balance will still be visible in the debtor list until it's fully paid. When the customer returns to settle the remaining amount, repeat the same process. Enter the outstanding amount, select payment method, and click Settle. Done. This receipt is now fully settled. To view any previously settled credit receipts, just go back to Debtor Management and switch to the Settled Credit Receipts tab. You can filter these receipt number. After clicking on a receipt, select View Settlement History to see a detailed record of all settlements made, including the dates and amounts. You'll also see an option to delete a settlement. Use this option with caution, as it will remove the recorded payment history. You can now share a settled credit receipt with the customer via email, social media, or even print it. Next to the Settlement History title, tap the three-dot menu. Here, you'll see options to print, send receipt, or share. Choose the method your customer prefers. When sharing, a PDF file of the receipt will be sent to them. Let's log into the SalesPlay web portal to access detailed credit reports. Once logged in, head over to the Customer section. Here, you'll find 3 key reports to help manage customer credit efficiently. This is the Debtor Management Report. It shows a list of customers who've purchased on credit, along with their current outstanding balances. Click on any customer's name to view full details, including all their credit receipts, both pending and settled. Next, let's look at the debtor report. This provides a summary for each customer, including total credit, total settled amount, credit rollbacks, and the new outstanding balance. You can filter this report by shop or customer, making it easy to narrow down exactly what you need. Finally, we have the credit settlement report. This gives you a complete breakdown of each customer's credit settlement activity, including the date, time, and settled amount. You can also apply filters by date, shop, or customer to focus your view. Perfect for reconciliation or reviewing payments. These 3 reports together give you full visibility into your credit customers, helping you manage, track, and reconcile all credit transactions with confidence. That's how easy it is to handle credit sales and debtor management in SalesPlay POS. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.